All right, guys, we got my man Gary's murdered out 500 trailer rig rolling out the shop today, and this one come out sharp, so let's check her out. It is on our custom in-house built trailer package. Y'all know the deal by now on our trailers. We build all of them in-house, all right? We design them around your setup. This is a dual 6,000 pound axle. Guys, let me tell you something. We build a stout trailer, all right? We got double frame rail all the way back to the axles. Powder coated finish on this bad boy, all right? Now on the pit itself, he did get our custom paint finish. He chose gloss black, good choice. The all blacked out look looks sharp. All right, the counterweights are standard on the 500. Now what's not standard is the 3 trays in here. So he called us up, said, man, I need a little more cook room in this bad boy. Said, we got you. So threw him an extra set of sliding trays in here. Great option on the 500, guys. You get a lot of extra cook room in there. 3 grates on the bottom. The bottom grates are removable, and we do have a 1.5 inch ball valve grease drain down there as well. TMG pits tail truth thermometers, 1 in each door, of course. And step around to the firebox. So we've got our fully insulated firebox. That's the only way we do tank smokers, guys. The door is insulated, front of it's insulated as well. Got his ash scraper in there as well. You gotta keep that firebox clean, guys, all right? Don't let me come around and catch you with ash in your dang firebox, all right? We're gonna have some issues. Stainless steel prep top on the passenger side, folds up. Storage underneath, throw your wood in there, coolers, whatever you need. Fold it back down. Got a big area to prep serve off of. Stainless steel fender toppers as well. Great option on the trailer package. Then we've got our Rolloff XL. So this is our 60 by 30 Rolloff. The top grate is removable, lifts up out of there. And then down here we've got 2 sliding bottom trays. All 1/4 inch plate steel. The bottom is insulated as well. These are very easy to run, cook great, wear some ribs and chicken out on these bad boys. Next to that, he's got his burn box. Build your fire in here, burn down the coals, shovel them out, boom, right in the roll-off, you're ready to go. Finish them off with a spare tire. You got a little extra storage on the front, guys. You will not complain about having too much storage on your trailer, I promise. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom trailer rig built, you know who to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.